our chief guest, our Honorable Home Minister Shri Mama Natung Ji, a standing ovation to welcome him to our grand celebration of Solungidi Itanagar 2024. Thank you so much, sir, for being present here today. We welcome you wholeheartedly.
Now, to formally begin the Solung Festival Celebration 2024, Itanagar Capital Complex, we will begin with the Solung Anthem. I request all the members on the dais as well as on this down of the stage to please stand up for Solung Anthem. Thank you, everyone. Please have your seat. Before proceeding with the presentation to our invited guest, at the very outset, I would like to introduce the chief guest of today's Solung Festival Celebration Committee, Itanagar Capital Region. We are honored to have Sri Mama Natung Sir amidst us as a chief guest. Sri Mama Natung was for the first time elected unopposed from Sepa West seat in 2019 Arunachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly election and was inducted into the cabinet to look after the Department of Forest and Environment. He was again re-elected to Arunachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly in June 2024 from Sepa and is currently the Minister Home and Interstate Border Affairs, PHE and Water Supply and Department of Indigenous Affairs, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. His initiative for Air Gun Surrender Abhiyan as Minister of Forest and Environment was appreciated by Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji in his Mann Ki Baat and also got global recognition by UNESCO at Malaysia in 2023. Distinguishingly, he is one such politician who has organized a 600 feet long Tiranga Yatra to infuse patriotism among people of SEPA and state in general in 2024, and was appreciated again by the Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi in his Twitter page. Most promisingly, he also strongly advocates for women empowerment and is an ardent promoter for indigenous faith and cultural heritage in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. We are not only privileged, sir, but honored and blessed to have you. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया sir आपका. With this, I now request the President Solung Festival Celebration Committee, Sri A.C. Parmesar, to do the honor of presenting a memento on behalf of the entire Adi community of Itanagar Capital Region. I request Mama Natung sir to kindly accept the presentation, the honor from the President Solung Committee 2024. He is one of the most eloquent as well as versatile speaker in the State Legislative Assembly. Sri Mama Natung sir, thank you so much. Presentation with an Adi code, traditional code, an Adi dao, an Adi hat as well as an Adi traditional muffler, along with a memento. This is smeared with love, compassion, honor and prestige from the entire Adi community of Itanagar Capital Region. Thank you so much, sir. Next, the guest of honor of today's Solung Festival celebration is our own Honorable Member of Parliament, Sri Tapir Gao. To say some few words about Tapir Gao, as most of us already knew, he is a 3-time elected Member of Parliament in the Lok Sabha. He was first elected as an MP in the 14th Lok Sabha in 2014. He was then re-elected to the 17th and 18th Lok Sabha election in 2019 and 24. Earlier, he also held the distinguished position of being a 2-time National General Secretary of Bharatiya Janata Party, the Vice Chairperson National ST-SC Commission in 2004. Earlier, he was also the President of State BJP Arunachal Pradesh, and he is also a postgraduate in political science from Rajiv Gandhi University and was an active student activist during his school and college days. We are honored to have the Honorable MP here with us. I request the General Secretary, Sri Tapir Tamut, to please do the honor of presenting the token from the entire Adi community of Itanagar Capital Region. So both the Tapirs, and we are also thankful to the Honorable MP Sri Tapir Gao for bringing along with him the distinguished guest, the luminaries of Northeast political arena, Srimati Phangnon Konyak Madam, who is also an MP Rajya Sabha, Sri Amar Singh Tiso Sir, Sri Dor Singh Rongrang, and Sir Alfred. He has invited all these MPs from Northeast to witness this Solung Festival celebration in Itanagar. We are so very much thankful to him for his initiative. Next, I would again request the presentation team to be ready with. So amidst us, we also have a very distinguished guest. First, I would like to introduce the woman on the dais, Madam Phangnon Konyak, who was elected as an MP of Rajya Sabha in 2022. She created history by becoming the first woman member from Nagaland to preside over the upper house on 25th of July 2024. Subsequently, she also became the first ever woman MP to be appointed to the panel of the Vice Chairperson of Rajya Sabha. She hails from Dimapur in Nagaland, where she completed her schooling. She moved to Delhi, where she pursued a master's degree in English literature from Daulat Ram College under Delhi University. And she also was an active student activist during her college days. Presently, she is also the Vice President of State Mahila Morcha Nagaland. We are so honored, Madam, to have you here. You have been watched by us only through the television. Now we are here witnessing you online. We are so thankful. With this, I request the President, Madam Srimati Yago Perme, to please do the honor of presenting the presentation to the Honorable MP. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give an applause for the dignified guest. Srimati Pakngon Konyak, Madam. The history is here with us. She has been appreciated for her service to the community. Now she is one of the leading woman MP, not only from the Northeast or Nagaland, but also from the entire India. This is a proud moment not only for the Adi community here, but also for entire Arunachal Pradesh. She, along with her team, has landed at Itanagar yesterday evening. Thank you very much, Madam. Next in the presentation row, we have Sir Amar Singh Tiso with us. Sir Amar Singh Tiso is an elected member of parliament from 6th Dipu parliamentary constituency who was elected in 2024. Before being a member of the parliament, he was a member of the Autonomous Council, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, for 2 consecutive terms, and an executive member handling departments like land revenue, agriculture, water resources, irrigation, legal metrology, excise, etc. Before being elected to 18 Lok Sabha in 2024, he was also actively engaged with social work among his people and community. Amar Singh Tiso, sir, we are so much privileged to have you here. I request Sri Opang Taing, sir, the Assistant General Secretary, Solong Celebration Committee, to please do the honor. Bebeng Dabo, ready to kano? Dabo irang? Yes, la. Sri Amar Singh Tiso, sir, a man who has been grassrooted with his people, already being a member of the Autonomous Council. We are so privileged, sir, to have you here. Thank you very much. Next, we have Sri Darsing Ronghang, sir, who is an elected member of the Legislative Assembly from 109 Hauragad Legislative Assembly constituency. As a leader, he played a key role in the ASDC autonomy movement, championing the right of his community. His unwavering commitment and vision earned him a resounding victory in the 2013 KAC MEC election, where he secured the highest percentage of vote among the contesting candidates. In 2016, Sri Ronghang joined the Bharatiya Janata Party, which further solidified his position as a respected and influential leader. He went on to contest the 2017 MEC election under the BJP banner, emerging triumphant once again. Currently, Sri Dar Singh Ronghang served as the esteemed MLA from 109 Haurahat Legislative Assembly constituency in Assam. His enduring dedication to public services and his constituencies has cemented his legacy as a true champion of the people. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us in the celebration. I request Dawoirang, sir, to please do the honor of presenting the mementos and the gift to the honorable guest. Dor Singh Ronhang, sir, we are so much privileged to have you here. We also have with us the better half of Honorable Member of Parliament, Sri Tapir Gao, sir, Madam Yamot Tatak Gao. I request Madam Yalung Mubang Tamud, the General Secretary's spouse, to please do the honor. She is the better half of our Honorable Member of Parliament, Sri Tapir Gao, sir, and the woman behind all the around 40 years of political career in Tapir Gao, sir's political career. She has been standing strong and has been very rarely seen in public appearances. We are so honored to have him here today. Have her here. Thank you, madam. Next, we have a special presentation round to the dignitaries on the dais. Since Arunachal Pradesh has a diverse tribes, we have an organization called the Arunachal Indigenous Tribes Forum, which is a conglomeration of many tribes. The members of this Arunachal Indigenous Tribes Forum is here with us today. We have a special presentation for all of them also from the Solemn Committee. I request Sri Tapang Kopak, sir, the President, Adi Bane Kabang of Papumpari Unit, to lead the presentation round for our AITF members. To begin with, the presentation really don't. Yeah. So in the list, we have altogether 40 members. Sir, madam, these AITF members are the members from different tribal groups of Arunachal Pradesh. All the tribal groups of Arunachal Pradesh are affiliating body of this AITF. Over the past 1 decade, the government of Arunachal Pradesh has always engaged with these AITF members in taking important decisions, welfare schemes, measures. The Honorable Chief Minister Sri Pema Khandu, sir, has always engaged with these AITF members, and not only in welfare schemes, but also in bringing solution between disagreement among the many tribes of Arunachal Pradesh. I request Sri Tapang Kopak, sir, to proceed with Sri Tar Tabin, sir, the Vice President, Headquarter of AITF. Sri Tar Tabin, sir, he is the Vice President of Arunachal Indigenous Tribes Forum. Next, we have Sri Gautam Borang, sir, the former President of Adi Bane Kabang and currently the Vice President East of Arunachal Indigenous Tribes Forum. He is also the Chief Engineer, Water Resource Development, Arunachal Pradesh. Next, we have Tapitai the General Secretary AITF, Sri Tapitai sir. We then have Dr. Bengya Tada, the AGS AITF. Next we have Lokam Kani, the Secretary Protocol of AITF. Next we have Lardik Kare, the Secretary Literary and Education AITF. In the row, next we have Dr. Mingam Pertin, the Secretary Health and Hygiene, AITF. Next we have Sri Rinchin Dorji Tongdon, the Secretary Community Service, AITF. Takama Irgapa Pilik Bilaju. Next, we have Sri Punyo Yaje, the Assistant Secretary Protocol AITF. Electrician. Next, we have Tolu Padu, the President Galo Welfare Society Itanagar Unit. Next, we have Momar Sora, the Vice President, Galo Welfare Society, ITR. Next, we have Tambo Taman, the Vice Admin, Tagan Cultural Society. Next, Tameng Kamsar, the Secretary Admin TCS, Tagan Cultural Society. Next, we have Advocate Taje Maing, the Secretary Executive Member of TCS. Next, we have Tanyang Tatung, the Chief Editor, Tani Supun Dupun, that is from the Apatani community. Next we have Hage Tapu, the Secretary Information and Communication, Tani Supun Dupun. Next we have from the Kamba or member Kamba community, Sri Galek Rapsel, the General Secretary. Next we have Dorji Senglikar. Okay. Next we have Ngampa Wangjen, the Chief Editor of Wancho Cultural Society. Next we have Topa Tinkatra, the Executive Member of Wancho Cultural Society. Next we have Somman Wangpan, the Convener of Wancho Cultural Society. Next we have Sri Chousa Takliang, Vice President from Mismi Welfare Society. Saliju Lingi, the AGS Mismi Welfare Society. Come on. Siring Tongdok, the Vice President, Serduk Pen. Next, Pema Khandu Tungon, the General Secretary. Next, we have R.D. Mosobi, Advisor ASB. Next, we have Tenjing Wangmu Mosobi, the spokesperson of ASB. Next, Karma Dorji Tongdok, the ZPC of West Kameng District. Okay. Srimati Sonam Wangmu Tondok, Yanggyo Tondok. Engineer Toko Onus, the Vice President, Headquarter of Nisela Society. Sri Toko Onus, the Vice President of Nisela Society, Headquarter. Next we have Sri Saikya Yangda Neri, the Secretary NES, East Kameng District Unit. Dr. Nabam Tabing, Secretary NES, Pakekesang District Unit. Next, from the Thai County Development Society is Chow Mea Seng Tomten, the Assistant Treasurer. Next, Chow Noseng Manpang, the Cultural Secretary of Thai County Development Society. Next, we have Chow Myon Mpe, the Executive Member of Thai County Development Society. Next, from the Aka community, Aka Sotuko Kunu, Sri Miali Sidiso, the Cultural Secretary. Next, we have Gamja Singpho from the Singpho Development Society. Next, Dumgan Ka Singpho, the Executive Member of SDS. Thank you very much, the President Adibane Kabang Papumpara Unit, Sri Tapang Kopak. And also with us, the Executive Member of Solung Mopin Ground. I request Sri Tapur Tapen, the Vice President, Solung Committee, to please do the honor. We have Tapur Tapen, the Vice President. If not, I request Sri Opang Tayeng, the AGS, to please do the honor. We have Goy Bam with us, the Assistant Secretary, Adigalo Solung Mopin Ground Committee. Goy Bam, sir. The Adi Mopin Solung Ground Committee. Sri Goy Bam, he is the Assistant General Secretary of Adi Mopin Solung Ground, Adi Galo Mopin Solung Ground Committee. Next we have Sri L. Ronya, the Woman President of the Adi Galo Mopin Solung Committee. Next we have Srimati Nigam, the General Secretary, Woman Wing, Mopin Preservation Society, Itanagar. Thank you. With this, we end with the presentation round.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Takamam Solungidiyam Agampa. I am Miss Nunung Apang. You're one of the hosts for today. So now we are going to have some beautiful, amazing dances by our Ponung Rasings. I would like to request everybody to save your excitement because now you are going to eye on something amazing and great dance performance. So without any further ado, I would like to call Ngargo Rasing, Barbie Taming, Gamrit Pertin Rasing, Doni Sango Rasing, and Moing Rasing. I hope all the rasings are ready because now we are going to have Solung Yeman mega dance by the Ponung Rasings. We are excited to witness your dance. Ponung Yeman.
Walo adina nek oname gidi sipe menyong momai.
Walo adina nek oname gidi sipe menyong momai.
Silo anga berong aying koso gidi sipe menyong momai.
Walo adina nek oname gidi sipe menyong momai.
Silo taka berong lotaso gidi sipe menyong momai.
Walo adina nek oname gidi sipe menyong momai.
Laju gidi peminge bom laju gidi sipe menyong momai.
Walo adina nek oname gidi sipe menyong momai.
Mulu yidi page bom laju gidi sipe menyong momai.
Walo adina nek oname gidi sipe menyong momai.
Laju sipe pyong bom laju gidi sipe menyong momai.
Walo adina nek oname gidi sipe menyong momai.
Mulu hodi page bom laju gidi sipe menyong momai.
Walo adina nek oname gidi sipe menyong momai.
Mulu adina ne koname gidi sipe menyong momai.
Walo adina nek oname gidi sipe menyong momai.
Alue lolue dalue lolue go ai
Ai
lolo quay
lolo quay ai nene nenia.
melue ponue dali de lobe kalpunge mami mete buluge bidie ponue nam sim
Namsi
nunge bo
nunga bo namsi nene nenia.
todie bone ai bulu angidie bone ai bulu asilo ponue gidie ponue go bidang
Vida
no mane
numane vida nene nenia.
Dongo rabue kome solong Domi eme agite solo Dongo rabue kome solong Adi ai ke gide kadung Adi nane ke sipe kadung Kuning aran dongkune kadung Kopi barbi etore kadung Gidi purvinge adi sedung Sipe puribe pete yadung Domi ane gite solo Dongo rabue kone solo
Moluke kadung itenane kadung nanno taro okikue Moluke kadung miramane kadung eko bangku umerange Adi ai kadung diyak sa kadung iya gabu tante Nyukwe kadung lubange kadung gizi netpong lerume Pongkue kadung kodage kadung kuli kuro lingonge Adinane kadung kabanane kadung dongne dokun dogare Yongmange kadung koliye kadung kopu sumbi benyobe Litege kadung sondorong kadung kampila zigo omnoge
Tengo daronga solo Papa daronga solo Gidi daronga solo Sipa daronga solo Tengo daronga solo Papa daronga solo Gidi daronga solo Sipa daronga solo Tadi gampiye telo Kami gampiye telo Gute kepele didung Kante takue didung Gidi ponung laju Sipe miri laju Nyamne ponung laju Nime ponung laju Tengo daronga solo Papa daronga solo Gidi daronga solo Sipa daronga solo Tengo daronga solo Papa daronga solo Gidi daronga solo Sipa daronga solo
Thank you very much, all the dancers from the Ponung Raseng. Just to add on to the presentation, I request the Secretary, Solung Celebration Tapur Tamut sir to please do the honor of presenting Dr. Radhe Natung, the officer on special duty for Minister Home and Interstate Border Affairs. Thank you very much, Natung sir, for coordinating all the programs. On behalf of Adi community of Itanagar Capital Region, please accept this presentation.
Thank you so much, Radhe Natung, sir. Now I would like to call on the stage Mr. Sir A.C. Parme, President of Solung Festival Committee, Itanagar Region, to give a welcome address. Sir, please come up on the stage and share your thoughts with us.
Takamam Agampa, good morning to you all. I, on behalf of entire Adi community, welcome you to Solung Festival Celebration 2024. On behalf of the Solung Festival Celebration Committee, Itanagar Capital Region 2024, take the pleasure of inviting you, kind presence and participation with family and friends on the auspicious occasion of Solung Festival Celebration 2024. The chief guest, Sri Mama Natung, Honorable Minister, Home Affairs, etc., Government of Arunachal Pradesh, the guest of honor, Sri Tapir Gao, Member of Parliament, East Arunachal, and other honorable special guests, Sri Amar Singh Tiso, Honorable Member of Parliament, Lok Sabha, Karbi Anglong, Assam, and Srimati Panan Kanyak, Honorable Member of Rajya Sabha, Nagaland, and Mr. Darasingh Rao Hongsa Rong Hang, MLA, Karbi Assam, and respected Arunachal Indigenous Tribe Forum members comes from distinguished districts or community or tribes of Arunachal Pradesh, respected senior citizen of Addis, citizen present in the dais and house, respected junior officer of the Addis community residing in the Itanagar Capital Region, Ponung Rasang and brothers and sisters of Addis community, Itanagar Capital Region, present in the house, respected media teams and respected Solung Festival Committee 2024, who are doing selfless service for preparation and arrangement of the celebration for the Solung Festival, Itanagar Capital Region 2024. Today is a significant day as we gather here to witness one of the major festival celebrations of Arunachal Pradesh in presence of Honorable Chief Guest named Mama Natung sir and guest of honor Tapir Gao, Honor MP and other special invitees and house persons. First of all, I on behalf of entire Adi community and Solung Festival 2024, Itanagar Capital Region, joyous and gracious welcome to our chief guest, Sri Mama Natung, Honorable Minister, Home Affairs, etc., Government of Arunachal Pradesh, who have accepted us as a chief guest in the Solung Festival Itanagar Capital Complex Region 2024, in spite of his busy schedule time, he joined us today in the Solung Festival, Itanagar Capital Region 2024 celebration. Very, very thanks, sirs. I, on behalf of entire Adi community and the Solung Festival, Itanagar Capital Region 2024, joyous welcome to our guest of honor, Sri Tapurgaon, Honorable Member of Parliament, Arunachal East, who has accepted as a guest of honor in Solung Festival, Itanagar Capital Region 2024. In spite of his busy schedule time, he joined us today in the Solung Festival, ICR 2024 celebration. Very, very thanks, sir. I also welcome other special guests, came from distinguished district and other place, community and tribes of Arunachal Pradesh, who join us today in Solung Festival Celebration 2024. Very, very thanks to you all. As you all know, the Solung is a festival that embodies the way of social, cultural, and religious life of the Adis, while endeavoring to keep alive the ancient custom and rituals of our community. We also strive to integrate the people, particularly younger generation, with their roots, teams, and comprehend the relation between man and the nature. At the same time, Solung elicited permission of the universal bonding and bond harmony in today's diversity world, which we consider is the need of our. As in principle, intention of our tribal life is to protect, preserve, and promotion of our own culture, tradition, and religion, which is preserved and presentation given by our forefather, as the foreign race, language, and eternal faith and culture are pre-decided by the Supreme Being. As we know, right to deny any of this, doing so is a denial to authority. As well as the culture is shown the road map of the community, tribes, and where they are coming from and where they are going to. After taking no time, I am going to conclude my words on auspicious occasion of Solung Festival, Itanagar Capital Complex 2024, by giving my love and affection with heartfelt welcome to all members present in the house. May the divine Kinanane, Daddy Bote, Doing Bote, bestow their blessing for bumper harvest, prosperity, and overall well-being of the mankind. Thank you. Agampa.
Thank you so much, Sir A.C. Perme. That was very thoughtful of you. And next we'll be having the release of Solung Souvenir, Digok Roli, by our chief guest, Honorable Shri Mama Natung Ji, and our guest of honor, Honorable Shri Tapurgaon Ji. And I would like to call the committee of Digok Roli to bring the Solung Souvenir up on the stage so it can be released. Digok Roli, the annual magazine of Solung Festival. It is being released by the Digok Roli Solung Gide Committee 2024. And the theme of Digok Roli is the call of the dawn. Everybody please a huge round of applause. Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you very much, the dignitaries on the dais. for release of the Dikogroli, The Call of the Dawn, which happens to be the annual magazine of Solung Festival of Adis of Itanagar Capital Region. Next, we have two very important honor for our elders, one of who has already left for heavenly abode. The Solung Committee 2024 has developed a citation for two important personalities of Adi community who has earlier given so much of contribution of Solung in Itanagar Capital Region. To begin with, I would like to read out the first honor that the Solung Committee will present to Sri Tajam Talo sir, the former IAS retired and also the chairman of the Arunachal Pradesh Public Service Commission. Sri Tajam Talo was born to late Banyong Talo and late Yai Kadu Talo on 1st of June 1956 at Ledum village, East Siang district, Arunachal Pradesh. He started his education at lower primary school, Ledum, in between 1959 to 1963, completed the school education at Government Higher Secondary School, Pasigat in 1964 to 1972, and did his graduation from JN College, Pasigat in 1975. In 1976, he joined as a junior teacher. He was selected to Arunachal Pradesh Civil Services and joined the service as Extra Assistant Commissioner in April 1981. He later on was inducted to Indian Administrative Service in 1997. He held various posts in his stint as government employee and was empaneled for appointment as Joint Secretary under Government of India in 2012 and 13. He was appointed as Chairman Arunachal Pradesh Public Service Commission in December 2016 and thereby retiring in 2018. Apart from his illustrious service career, Sri Tajam Talo was a leader par excellence from the Adi community. He worked for the welfare of the Adi community, communal harmony with other tribes, and was instrumental in creating new idea of preservation of art and culture of Adis in Itanagar Capital Region. He started the idea of creating a corpus fund from the saving of Solung Festival Celebration Committee. Under his leadership, a society called Festival Preservation and Promotion Society of the Adis was formed. He is the first president of FPPSA. This society was formed with the intention to preserve and promote the festival of the Adis in ICR. The society is now renamed as Society for Festival of Adis, who looks after the Solung celebration in Itanagar Capital Region and all other celebrations of the Adi. He was the General Secretary of Solung Festival Celebration in 2001 and also the President of Donyi Polo Yelam Kabang from 2017 to 10. Sri Tajam Talo was sincere, punctual, honest, upright, and down-to-earth individual. In recognition of his great contribution of pioneering in community service, the Solung Festival Committee extend him this proud privilege to confer this award to Sri Tajam Talo IS retired on the auspicious occasion of Solung Festival celebration on this 1st of September 2024. I request Sri Mama Natung sir to please extend the citation on behalf of the Solung Celebration Committee to one of the most revered retired senior officer, Sri Tajam Talo sir. I request his family members, his son, to please come and acknowledge this citation. Award. His son is here to receive the award, the citation. Tajam Talo sir was not only a distinguished but also was highly respected. Is highly respected among the Adi community for his clarity on the administrative skill and also on his clarity on preservation of the traditional culture. Big round of applause for Sri Tajam Talo sir. The next citation the Solung Committee conferred this year is for late Dr. Asam Borang, who was born to late Koksup Borang and late Pakku Borang on 9th of June 1960 at Siluk in East Siang district of Arunachal Pradesh. He did his education at Government Primary School Siluk, matriculated from Government Secondary School Merbo, completed his class 12 from Government Higher Secondary School Pasigat, his graduation in BSc from JN College Pasigat in 1981 in Geology, MSc in Geology from Dibrugarh University with first class gold medal in 1985 and PhD from Guwahati University in 2001. He joined as a TGT in 1981 and as a senior teacher in 1985. In 1988, he was appointed as forest geologist. This post was redesignated as scientist in 1991, and thus he became the first scientist of Arunachal Pradesh. He retired from government service on 31st of January 2020 in scientist SF grade. He wrote numerous research papers which have been published in various reputed journals. He was a pioneer in planning and development of State Forest Research Institute in Itanagar and one of the forerunners in establishing a well-equipped geology laboratory and museum in SFRI. Apart from his illustrious service career, Late Borang was a social worker and has a vast knowledge on folk tales, song, and mythology of the Adis. He helped many people to understand the meaning and theme of Adi song. His main contributions are: he had been the General Secretary of Solung Festival Celebration in 2000. He was the President of Solung Festival in 2013 again, the Chief Editor of the Dikog Raleigh in 2006-07, President of the SFA in 2013, the Vice President of Donyi Polo Elam Kabang, Itanagar in 2000, and was one of the pioneers of creating Solung altar in Solung Festival Celebration. In recognition of his service and his pioneering work in community services, the SFCC ICR feel proud and privileged to confer this award to late Dr. Borang posthumously on the auspicious occasion of Solung Festival. I request Madam Konyak to please do the honor of presenting this citation on behalf of the Solung Committee and all the guests. His wife is here amidst us.
Thank you, Madam. Next, now I would like to call upon the stage our guest of honor, Shri Tapurgao, Honorable MP, to please deliver a few words to address the public gathering.
Holungidi Agampe Hiloke Itanagar Capital Complex Holungidi Dikologe Pondobotepe Ana Honorable Minister Mama Natung Deloge Special Guest Pe Ana Ngoluge MP Angong Srimoti Pangnon Konyak Konyagem lumilonol angupe tadung bulu Wangsue. Wangsu abide Nagaland no konyak Ornasol lo Wangsu. Dege ngoge angong Karbi Anglong bege Honorable MP Omor Singh Tiso. Dege Honorable MLA Darsing Tonglang, Dege Ngoge Solung President Secretary, Itanogor Hokke, Delo Ponu Raseng Dolung, Migom Botte Bottena, Senior Migom, Takam Hiloka Ana Omeo, Delok mainly हमारा अरुणाचल प्रदेश इंडिजिनियस ट्राइब फोरम जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव यहाँ उपस्थित है, आप सभी को देख के अच्छा लगा। हम सब ऐसे ही और आगे बढ़ते रहना है कि हम अपना इंडिजिनियस को कैसे बचाए रखना, ये आप लोगों का हाथ में है और आप लोगों का एफर्ट में ही हम इंडिजिनियस को बचा पाएंगे। तो आज मैं मामा नातुंग को आदि सिखा के रखा हूँ और जो स्पेशल गेस्ट मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट और ऑनरेबल एमएलए जो यहाँ मेरा साथ उपस्थित है उसको भी मैं आदि सिखा के रखा हूँ। इसलिए मेरा कुछ शब्दों में आदि में ही अपना फेस्टिवल में भाषण दूंगा। दोलुंग किदिंग Holung gidie ditak takam lo ngolu holung gidiem didung. Idokom ngoluk api lo मुँह पे लगी है। इस बार का सोलुंग में हम क्या डिफरेंस लाना होगा लास्ट ईयर सोलुंग लोग के। आप ना सोलुंग लो ngolu कापे दी आरु आयाना को इपे लगी है। तानी गिदा हो ये दूँगेम तू होलुंग में ngolu मानी यारी है। ये नॉर्मली कैजुअली ngoluk holu mani nam hi dolung kiding improvement kama pe holung gidi dem dimilo oma hui hana kiding kangge hi ko kamaya delog lega pe ngolu every solung lo aru mopin lo idokom nyokum lo idokom diri lo idokom कुछ बदलाव लाके हम लोग ओरिजिनलिटी को साथ में लेके सोलुंग गिदे ngolu dila जो काम dolung kiding ngomidu Delok ke hilo adi dolungem ngogluna me ngolu yai kao him mamo kao him toge him belu kamado pengol yai kao him mamo kao him toge him gedum midu yai kao lurongem belu ko kape lagi dung mamo ke ome awem lurongem belu ko kape lagi dung tani gida hog yedungem society hog yedungem ngo kape di इनको ना आगे को दी आई पे गेर पे लगियन ऑफिसर इलांकोम पब्लिक इलांकोम कॉन्ट्रैक्टर किदिंग इलांकोम पॉलिटिशियन किदिंग इलांकोम याई का हम आदि हिंगोलु बेलु कामादो पे लुहा इला मेदुंग आगेर बोत्ते ना कोंगोलु रूरोप पे लगिए आईना आगेर को गेर पे लगिए मोलु आपिलो मुबम दोला याई का हम तोगे मिलाई दूंग मामो का हम तोगे मिलाई दूंग दे इनामेंगो हिलो इतानगर सोलुंग प्लेटफॉर्म लोके ngो आदि के दूगम को ngो लुलेन पे मुइदुंग देलोग रोंगम आदि ngolu कापे दी आई पे गेर पे लागियन देम को ngो मुइदुंग दोलुंग किदिंग हिलो के ऑफिसर आरु रिटायर ना मिगोम किदिंग देगे रोडवेंग रिटायर एकुना मिगोम बोत्ते ना किदिंग एम को हिलोंगो सोलुंग प्लेटफॉर्म होके आदि दोलुंगम ngो आरु अरुणाचल बानेम एंटायर अरुणाचल को भी मैं आदि का एक दुख बड़ी कहानी एक पेरगा बता के जाऊंगा। एक ऐसा समय था पासिगा देलो मेलोकोनो कैपिटल मिलिगियम लुतो ngoluk आदि अनाबु दोलुंगे मांगोल कैपिटल देम लगी माम लुला ngolu capital men akhitop delo melokonno silapotar lokke ilangela pasigat elong telo biaro rode moligiem luto ngoluk abwane kidinga nekubuku kidinga lukai ma ngoluk oma kidinga kuria besa ki takhila duma sali dohido pengol alak ki mohiem lula likabali ba me basarte gila alo telo biaro rode moling moto Delo rotu telo dem ko piem luto rotu tege dem ko ngolu adi bane men pakto delog rongem pasiga delo private medical college ko iligiem luto dem kom ngolu court case bila men pakto idokom Dibrugarh belo private hospital longol treatment takamem idungku hilo e mengkito ka pasiga delo capital ide milo melokon no biaro ro de pasiga tu elong bedange mode milo rotu tehige dem pide milo medical college private hospital em pasigat telo molik de milo hilo adie inko na jegalo du den dem nolu adi oma okidinge minki hitokula dem history dem bomdu lahu pangolu hingok kerang ke dunatakam adi ane birme migom mite reperum ne takam nolu hupa ke doing em kom uitoku doi him potokupa hupa ngotat dung siang dem ko iem ludung dedina union dedina farmer association Dibang hydropower project Dibang multipurpose hydropower project elo 800 almost 800 crore ko compensation bila Dibang Valley project em hupa ke bonai kai ngoge migo mangong kiding hidu indung rowing hupa edit ko kapeti develop kan dem agi amig longol hupa ka hidu hupa siang dem purpose holo compensation is almost 5 lakhs crores aru rehabilitations compensations ati takamem iye adi dolunge sammar semilo arelo moboye ye mekom compensation bilang maye dedina development dem imagine dem ikitoka dem hupak imilo adi ke konno ke yaibu ke capitalem lupa khitpa kom makeup ko bedang ko kadu biaro ro dem lupa khitpa ko makeup ko kadung rotu damem lupa khito ko makeup enam sans ko kadung aru private medical college em lupa khito ko hupa ko makeup ko bedang ko kadung delog lega pengo huilo ke holung gidi holo holu bane takamem adi bane takamem ngonyorung idung yai ka hum toge emilo ngo amongem sacrifice hila pe lagie edem sacrifice hila pe lagie piri pe bimaye government of India upage siang kosi tahi Nyinsing airport Jinping ka landing ko airport hokkote de Great Bend of the Sangpo River tede almost 2000 plus meter na dem ko hupa ke pidung Saina start kabong dem water siang asiem divert ye yellow sea lo de ye ngolu adi bane ngolu muidung a kobung koronge deddine dipa dite mopange deddine asie kahiye holo muidung igela scientific ecological balance em kamilo siang asite me divert ye milo dite khidite de hanye aru koji korong asi takam hi oyeku igela siang dam tem ye milo sibo korong he kom digine modung digin lokom asi lenyiku delog lega pe ngo hilo adi banem hilo ke holung gidi holo him epildung engo takare ngo siang kemang em dibangi belie ko muima peka wes siang tek duna khiding kom luar siang lok duna khiding kom adi gida holo botte nati ko iling ma milo adi dolung ngolu yai ka him togela dunam petom ko ye de hilo ke nolu ngoge geso ponar pa adokula nolu message ina me dolung gidi holo taka me purti pe lagie aru kera ekai ngolu ludung agi ke culturem agi ke traditionem agi ke nene ponungem edi ngolu bom himai di ngolu agi ke identity em lose dengo আদি এরিয়া হলো কেবাংকো হদাই লুয়ার দুং দে বজে কম ভাইরাল দুং দে হল আদি ngolu ngo English word sarita ko ngo bojeru pahimo dug dung मम्मी दादी अंकुल आंटी इंग्लिश अच्छा लैंग्वेज है लेकिन इस 4 शब्दों से मैं बहुत नफरत करता हूं ngolu adie आगे के अबुए याई अबुम लुकुमांग दादी आने मामुए आयेम लुकुमांग मम्मी अधिक को काके यायुए पाये पायोंगे कादुदी मिमेदम आंटी मिलोदम अंकुल दे ngoge culture em gulung kenyu loge culture em tradition em ngok identity em de kotom du de log lega pe oma uem hihana khidinge kom आदि को लुहिए मिलो निसी हम निसी है बोलने के लिए हम तागिन है हम आपतानी है हम सेदुक पेन है मोनपा है ताकाम ngो गालो अपना आपको बोलना है अपना बेटा बेटी को मम्मी दादी अंकुल आंटी मत सिखाइए जो अपना डायलेक्ट में है that is the beginning of the society and that is the beginning of the future देख लेगा हुई का आना ngोगे अरुणाचल इंडिजिनियस परम गुरुवेम को मेरा तरफ से ये रिक्वेस्ट है हम ये मैसेज अपना बच्चों को देना पड़ेगा कि आंटी तो असम का भी वर्ड नहीं है मम्मी दादी असम का भी शब्दों नहीं है बिहार का भी नहीं है और लंदन का है ब्रिटिश को हमने भगाया माँ बाप ने इतना फ्रीडम पाइता बन के भगाया लेकिन आज भी हम क्यों ब्रिटिश का गुलामी बन के मम्मी दादी अंकुल आंटी में फंसा रहेगा देख लेगा आज यहाँ जितना उपस्थित है ताका में मोग रिक्वेस्ट है ओमे को ए मिलो आओ को ए मिलो या ये मामू है आइए आबू है आरु आहूंग हाक ताका में काके यायुए पाते पायोंगे हिम आगोम हिम में हिकाई माए मिलो सोलुंग फेस्टिवल का एक ऐसा समय आएगा पोनुंग गाने वाला भी कितना अच्छा डेमोस्ट्रेट सिखाया संदरोंगम गेदुंग दूदाबेम गेदुंग एक ऐसा समय आएगा अगर हम लैंग्वेज को प्रोटेक्शन नहीं होगा डायलेक्ट को प्रोटेक्शन नहीं होगा once upon a time my forefathers our forefathers used to this group of beads called dudab sondrong de lula english है basonem bieku ponung em kom english में ही गाएगा देख लेगा पे हिलो के सोलुंग ngolu के मानी नाम ही 1 सितंबर मानी नाम ही आगे आगे रिफाइन हिलांग कुला ngoge याई मामो बुक ये नाम देगे आगे के कल्चरम आगे के आइडालुएम आगे के गिदिहिपेम कापेदी बोमका दोन देम रूबम दोपेम ओमा ओखिदिंगम हिकाइला हिंगो हिरोकम कादुंग ओमा उएकम आदि गालुबेम गेला आदि गालेम गेला आदुंग देलोग लेगा हिम ngolu आई आप हिकाई दोपेम ngolu इpe lagi em ngomidung de iname ngoge Mama Natung, Honorable Minister Humbi, Botteruna mission को इबतु, एयरगन सरेंडर, पूरा हिंदुस्तान में फेमस है, ngoge मोदी साहब, गोलुंग मोदी साहब को भी मैं मोन की बात लो को मलूदूं, ये मामा नातुंग साहब, अपने लिए ये एयरगन सरेंडर नहीं करवाया, यूनिवर्स होलो ह्यूमन बीइंग भी रहना है एनिमल भी रहना है सीरिया भी रहना है तब जाके एनवायरमेंट ये ग्लोबल ये सोसाइटी बच सकता है एक जमाने में जब माओ सीतुंग को भगाया चाइना से तो सोता सोता सीरिया जो है केत में दान खाता था कम्युनिज्म का एक डायरेक्टिव था, कोई भी सीरिया साइना कंट्री में बसना नहीं चाहिए। ऐसे करके सारा सीरिया को माने साइना पॉपुलेशन ने उसको मार के खत्म कर दिया। द मेन मेड फेमिन ऑफ साइना, ऐसे करके आम लोग है, मिरू लोग है, आयाग लोग है, तापुम तारुक दोनेम, वो जो सीरिया खाने वाला सारा सब खत्म हो गया। तो इसलिए सारा खेती बाड़ी साइना में खत्म होके इतना मेन मेड एक डिवास्टेटिंग एक स्टारवेशन साइना में इतिहास में हुआ है। तो मामा नातुंग साहब को मैं पर्सनली अप्रिशिएट करता हूँ और आप इस मिशन को आगे लेते जाइए। एंड इस आपने जो मिशन शुरू किया है, हमको जानवर को, सीरिया को, जंगल को बचाने के लिए हम लगे रहना है। देना में दोलुंग खिदिंग ngolu himen petangem kom homoilo dope lagie engwem kom homoilo ipe lagie petange kom apipiti kadung ehing himene kom a odi kadung yai mamo doinge di lobolo himen petangem penma peka apia odue delo pabe kom tani gidalo kadung देख लगा हमको मोल बसाई पे लगी है। तो इसलिए मैं हमारा कन्याक मैडम को, आप अरुणाचल में आए मत चूसिए, आपका वांगसू रिप्रेजेंटेटिव भी इधर है, आप तो पार्ट ऑफ अरुणाचल है। और अमर सिंह टीसो एक परमानेंट कार्बी आंगलोंग का लीडर है, उसका साथ हमारा दौर सिंह तोंगहांग ऑनरेबल एमएलए अपना ट्राइबल डिस्ट्रिक्ट है कार्बी आंगलोंग, और एक ऑनरेबल एमपी होटल में आके बैठा है, उसका तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, इसलिए हम लोग रेस करने के लिए बोला है। अल्फ्रेड बोल के मणिपुर उकरूल से है, बॉब कटिंग का ग्रैंडसन है वो, जिसने 1952 में तुआंग को इंडिया में एनेक्स किया, उसका ग्रैंडसन भी आके बैठा है यहाँ वाई इंटरनेशनल में। लेकिन उसका थोड़ा सर्दी जुकाम हेवी हो गया, इसलिए हम लोग ने रेस करने के लिए बोला है। लेकिन अल्फ्रेड ऑनरेबल एमपी मणिपुर आउटर का ये मैसेज है कि अरुणाचल से मेरा ग्रैंडफादर से जुड़ा हूँ, और मेरा भी दिल्ली कॉलेज में पढ़ते समय भी मेरा बहुत फ्रेंडशिप है अरुणाचल से, इसलिए सब के लिए और सब को हैप्पी सोलुंग बोल देना। कभी न कभी दिन सोलुंग ग्राउंड में आएंगे। और 31 अक्टूबर को ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर पेमा खांडू बॉब कटिंग म्यूजियम एक तवांग में इनागुरेट होगा, और उसका पिताजी भी आएगा, रिलेटिव सारा सब आएगा। तो इसलिए अरुणाचल प्रदेश के ओर से भी उस बॉब कटिंग का सारा परिवार को धन्यवाद देता हूं कि बॉब कटिंग का वजह से 1952 में तुआंग को हम लोगों ने एनेक्स किया। एज पर 1914 शिमला एक्ट के मुताबिक बॉब कटिंग ने वो काम किया, इसलिए उस फैमिली को भी हम लोग सोलुंग विशेष ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ आदिस एंड अरुणाचल प्रदेश देता हूँ। मैं वो बोझे लुमा पे ngोगे सिकिंग की लूंगे लूने में उते देंदे देंसा मोदागिका कोजे देंदे देंसांग मोदागिका ngok adi dolungem ngok अरुणाचल बानेम आरु तालें कुप्पो हुपाक के जगह जगह लोग गोंडोगुल हिमकोम सिकिंग की लूंगे लूने नो शांति पे ये पे नाम आपे ना दिता खोलो आशीर्वाद बिदागला तालें कुप्पो शांति दो पे ngok adi अरुणाचल ओमाओ ताकामे पोरा लिकालो आरु किनाम रमनाम कामा पे आपे ना सोलुंग गिदिलो आपे ना फेस्टिवल लोंगोल लेको हेके पे इरगांग आपाम रूपे कार्य खिदो कुपेम ngok kumge dola ngok agomem hololuridung agam pe.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your valuable knowledge and insight. We're truly grateful for your contribution. So next we have Ngargo Rasing, who will be performing a folk dance in front of you all. I would like to invite Ngargo Rasing to take up the stage.
Angodu dum telo, telo kemoko telo. Angodu dum telo, telo kemoko telo. Angodu dum telo, telo kemoko telo. Gayum lu tunga buna, buna ba buna buna. Garua lu manga buna, buna na buna. Nana duru lento, lento di mana lento. Lu tu duru lento, lento di mana lento. Badonana kope, kope nengena kope. Amun bidunga lento, lento bumane lento. Doniana bulum, bulum ajina bulum. Dongor abu bulum, bulum olona bulum. Azidir lento, lento di mana lento. Olu adir lento, lento di mana lento. Azidir namdem, namdem di mana namdem. Olu adir namdem, namdem di mana namdem. Onki lezine bito, bito jin mana bito. Koma lagzine bito, bito jin mana bito. Koma lagzine namdem, namdem jin mana namdem. Onki lezine namdem, namdem jin mana namdem. Angwe mami kenge, kenge betena kenge. Azitin kenge likto, likto tin mana likto. Olu tin kenge likto, likto tin mana likto. Angwe George telo, telo sigona telo. Takar George telo, telo sigona telo. Busse pulung bito, bito kumane bito. Koru pulung bito, bito kumane bito. Sidum milue bikai, bikai sijinge bikai. Tamang nyamne bikai, bikai gejinge bikai. Karduk dalong bikai, bikai kumane bikai. Karpu ponung bikai, bikai kumane bikai. Dalong lame rongem, rongem ke kone rongem. Busse tunga kunga, kunga yong mo kunga. Yada rempu kunga, kunga yong mo kunga. Azitin kunga likto, likto tin mane likto. Olu tin kunga likto, likto tin mane likto. Busse tunga buna, buna yong mo buna. Yada rempu buna, buna yong mo buna. Yok tung amane bito, bito lagabe bito. Gutung amane bito, bito lagabe bito. Dalong lame rongem, rongem ke kone rongem. Bumin babu kunge, kunge botena kunge. Soinane kunge, kunge nengena kunge. Azitin kunge likto, likto tin mane likto. Olu tin kunge likto, likto tin mane likto. Bumin babu buna, buna botena buna. Soinane buna, buna nengena buna. Azilati bito, bito mere bito. Olu lakong bito, bito me bone bito. Narmu milue bikai, bikai sijinge bikai. Tamang nyamne bikai, bikai gejinge bikai. Doni mutiga solo, solo botena solo. Donang kamme solo, solo botena solo. Angwe ponung daku, daku nu mane daku. Gude ponung daku, daku nu mane daku. Dakar dalong daku, daku pong mane daku. Gude dalong daku, daku pong mane daku. Silu malue kunam, kunam dadie kunam. Solunga ponung daku, daku nu mane daku. Tor dalong daku, daku pong mane daku. Ngodu dum telo, telo kemoko telo. 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 Ngodu dum telo, telo kemoko telo.
Thank you so much, Ngargo Rasing, for that beautiful performance. Next, we have Barbie Taming Rasing. I would like to invite Barbie Taming Rasing to please take up the stage. The grace, the energy. Thank you so much, Barbie Taming Rasing, for the splendid performance. And coming up next, we have a bunch of kids who will be performing. They are the next generation of the Adis who are going to carry our legacy forward. So please, a huge round of applause for Mr. Gamruk Pertin, Mr. Torik Gao, Mr. Togam Pertin, Mr. Katam Taki, and Mr. Mubang Yaing.
काजू होया ननम 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 काजू होया ननम 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 baraga Dintak baraga Ang mana tula Hobu alunga Kandong yanam Hobu baraga Dintak baraga Ang mana tula Hobu alunga Kandong yanam
प्रकार से जो ड्रग्स जो एब्यूज चल रहा है, युवाओं जो अपने बर्बाद हो रहा है, हमारा जो आने वाला युवा पीढ़ी जो बर्बाद हो रहा है ड्रग्स के जरिए। ड्रग्स एक कैंसर बीमारी का तरह फैल चुके हैं पूरे देश भर में और पूरे भारतवर्ष में। इसलिए माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा, माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने भी यह कहा कि विकसित भारत बनाना है। 2047 अमृत काल में विकसित अरुणाचल बनाना है तो नशा मुक्त भारत, नशा मुक्त अरुणाचल हमको मिलकर काम करना होगा, तब जाकर भारत विकसित भारत देश जरूर बनेंगे और बनेगा ही। आप सबसे मेरा एक विनती है, पूरे जितने भी उपस्थित जितने सभी पेरेंट्स, युवाएं, जितने हो सके हमारा युवा लोग जो ड्रग्स ले रहा है, जो ड्रग्स सप्लाई कर रहा है, जो ड्रग्स ला कर दे रहा है, मैं एज ए होम मिनिस्टर इंचार्ज, मैं पूरे होम डिपार्टमेंट भी मैं देख रहा हूं। मैं लोगों से अनुरोध करना चाहता हूं कि जिन्होंने भी जो ड्रग्स का काम कर रहे हैं आज से छोड़ दे, वो जो ले रहा है वो भी छोड़ दे, अपने आप को बर्बाद मत कीजिए। क्यों खुद को मारने का काम करते हो? अपने परिवार को भी क्यों नुकसान, क्यों तकलीफ देते हो? और हमारा ये प्रदेश के लिए, देश और प्रदेश का भविष्य खत्म हो रहा है, युवा इस जो ड्रग्स ले रहे हैं। मैं आप सबसे अनुरोध करना चाहता हूं कि हम सब, सरकार अकेला से नहीं होगा, हमारा सीबीओ अकेला से नहीं होगा, एनजीओ अकेला से नहीं होगा, इसके लिए हम एक साथ होकर पूरे परिवार, पेरेंट्स, जितने भी जो हर समुदाय के लोग एक साथ होकर इसको हम लोग रोकना होगा, नहीं तो हमारा देश और प्रदेश का भविष्य, युवा जो है बर्बाद होने जा रहा है। ये आप सबसे इस मन से मेरा अनुरोध करना चाहता हूँ। साथ में इतना समय नहीं लेते हुए आप लोगों ने आने वाला अभी ये नेक्स्ट ईयर में आपको ये इस मन से मैं आप लोगों को एक आश्वासन देना चाहता हूँ कि गुरुकुल स्कूल हमारा जहाँ आदि सामुदायिक में, जहाँ में जिस जगह में देखकर एक दो जगह में आने वाला में मैं एश्योरेंस देता हूँ कि गुरुकुल स्कूल आपका वहाँ में समुदाय में जरूर स्थापना करेंगे। इसके साथ साथ आप लोगों ने इतना प्यार दिया और इतना ये इनवाइट किया, यहाँ में आपके इतने सुंदर त्योहार में भाई प्रेम भावना, भाईचारा को जो प्यार, यही हमारा, इसी प्रकार पैन अरुणाचल, वननेस अरुणाचल, चाहे जात अलग हो, चाहे जाति अलग हो, भाषाएं अलग हो, लेकिन सबको एक साथ होकर सोचना होगा। हम तोवंग से लेकर लौंडिन तक माँ अरुणाचल का संतान है, चाहे कोई भी भाषाएं अलग हो, जात अलग हो, हम प्रेम भावना, कोई भी फेस्टिवल कुछ भी हो, मिलकर हम लोग एक साथ इसी प्रकार प्यार बांटेंगे, इसी प्रकार मिलके हम लोग हर समुदाय के लोग मिलकर हम एक साथ खेलेंगे, एक साथ कूदेंगे, एक साथ नाचेंगे, गाएंगे। ये भावना हम सबको होना होगा। इसलिए मैं खास करके फेस्टिवल कमेटी का चेयरमैन आपके पूरे टीम को आने वाला 2025 में इसी ग्राउंड का जो आपका सेलिब्रेशन में मेरे तरफ से मैं 3 मिथुन का घोषणा करके जाता हूं। आने वाला में आप जब भी आराम से ले लीजिए और मेरा तरफ से ये कंट्रीब्यूशन आने वाला 24 के लिए। तो इसी 2-4 शब्दों के साथ आप सबको हृदय से, आंतरिक हृदय से मैं धन्यवाद देते हुए, और यहाँ में एक है कि दोलंग तकम इम सोलोंग गिदी सिम अगम पे सिंग के सोलोंग इम उते दने देनसे मुलंका कोजी दने दिनसा मुलंका। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू। जय हिंद।
Thank you so much, the Honorable Minister, Shri Mama Natung sir. आपके इन्हीं शब्दों से हम बहुत ही प्रभावित हैं। May it be in the Legislative Assembly, in may it be public gathering. आपके जो एयरगन सरेंडर अभियान, खास करके जो Abotani hunter group में बहुत ही जोश बढ़ा, और for that reason many of the hunters have also surrendered their air guns in thousands. So with this, we'll have the vote of thanks, but before that, I request the Cultural Secretary and the Ponung Raseng, vote of thanks birong ame, Ponung anyong ko numan ko nuye, bulu nuli do nai kami bokode, iname bubing omak komu dan yai gatom yai tonin no ready toka, yema volunteers ke dinge vote of thanks lurong ame, dungkang chair ke dam bahiral ibi toka, Ponung nungko jaga ko ibi tope. So with this, I now invite the Secretary, Solung Festival Celebration Itanagar, Sri Tapur Tamut sir, to please come and wind up this formal program with a vote of thanks.
Hello ke Solung gidi lok CBS पे आबिना श्री मामा नातुंग Honorable Minister Home PSE Dia etc. Delok ke ngoluk guest of honor pa abina ngoluk adi lok mingkang Siri Tapirgao MP Eastern Parliament Delok Bikki Amin Gana Ngoluk Saleng Amar Singh Tisosar Pongang Konyak Madam Darsing Ronahang Sir Delok Ngok President Solung Ngo Airu Muido Agamalo Muido Chief Guest Abina Ngoluk Tomnamem Torikila Mama Natung Sarnok Hilo Kangoluk Giri Hoga Chief Guest Abina Memgo Airu Muido Airu Ado Langkom Lunying ke solu laga ako kuda eho dorum ko tobi namdem ngo aseng alodo. Delok ke ngok abinom no dedine moma tapede Delhi bel dudula kadolahin adi ke solungem ngo yaboka ku emila itana lok habi kunam him muyu malohido agamalo airu muido. Delok ke hining ke Solung Committee ngolu kole lo gigola senior officer noluk ehoek muji la ngolum ayala luka name bele teti ha ehoko ayek kom lula delok ke ko ya menge
Urka name nom dem agernem ilangka de hotkangem no palangka dem no itoka em itokam liem toling nam. Hi kaname apa he lekoyemilo soluhi nyong maye. Atagarek no deke ngo eke dekem lumilo nyog name sanskadung idokom hunyingka kanam tempo holo. Ngo airu mido ngoluk senior officer tabunga eso ayek bilang ngolu celebration em successful idak ido ibotung dem airu mido. Delok ngoluk AITF team borangsar nok team me ngok abinamem ngoluk tomnam invitation accept la anamem ngo airu mido. Delok ngoluk takam ke ane hi MP ke madam ingkona adie gimang ko kaidi biking murukanyang ko kaem hayem biar tetena ingko purti ko kaidi hayem di mode ngolu dem ha ina ane nok abina muhim ngo mui maloido aserdo no airu ayer langka dalok ke ngo itanagor ke ICR dolungem kumdung lunying kom eduya lungka kom eduya anto amonga ayayang ayaya idang namoko iname hinying ke holung gidi himgo kumdung luna gidi no natunga kumlo natu wale lo gaw wale lo delok ke ICR hok wale lo agung agamem dagang gebi laika amla kumdu namo kongo takame jenam nam kali dung kado ardala kinam nam kama yedo emla delo luga dola ngo agamem holuinya loss of culture loss of identity tabunge agampe yelal agampe